What's going on, everybody? This is Out of the Box with Mighty. My name's Austin, and today we're going to be taking a look at the LTD line of Speedster portables. These feature-rich, top-of-the-line portables are the next level up from our popular base model Speedsters, and they have everything that you need for truly professional carpet cleaning. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. I've got one of the LTDs here with me. This is an LTD 3. We're going to run through some of the features that you're going to get with a unit like this. All of the LTDs have this same body style. We rotomold them here at our San Diego warehouse. They all have this 11-gallon capacity, bucket-high drains in the back, rear non-marking wheels, and a clamshell design that allows for easy component access. So we're going to go ahead and start with the top here with the switch plate along the top. Makes all the components easy to access. Below that we have a gauge. This is your pressure readout for your pressure system and a dual circuit light indicator. So this is going to make finding two separate circuits super simple. When you're connected to proper power, you will see this light up and you will also hear a tone. There's a convenient plastic cover that covers up the clean water tank, prevents any debris from getting in there, also conceals your wash hose and the chemical injection hose that runs to the chemical jug on the side. Speaking of chemical injection, right here is the gallon per hour meter. This is for controlling the flow rate of chemical into your solution. To pair with that chemical injection, there's also autofill and auto pump out for maximum efficiency on those large jobs. So now that we've seen all the features that are included on every LTD, let's go ahead and look inside to see what sets them apart. Starting off with the LTD 3, this unit features a 1600 watt inline heater, dual 3-stage vacuums producing 200 CFM and 130 inches of water lift, and an adjustable 500 PSI pressure system. This unit is the top of the line when it comes to heated portables. Our next LTD is the LTD 5LX. This is a non-heated unit with an adjustable 500 PSI pump, but it features two of our proprietary LX vacuum motors. These produce 250 CFM and 182 inches of water lift. These vacuum motors are 20 to 30% more powerful at the carpet than any other portable vacuum motor on the market. Moving on to the next LTD is the LTD 12LX. This features the same dual LX vacuum motors, but with an adjustable 1000 PSI pressure system, ideal for hard surface cleaning such as tile and grout. Alright guys, that is all we have for you today. If you need more information, check out mighty.com. You can also connect with us on Instagram, Twitter, or join our Facebook group, All Things Mighty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a mighty fine day.